What's up, Queendom? It's the Chantel here, and I am back with another video. Alright, you guys, so as you see, your girl got her face looking like ew. Now, it is just a natural look, so don't be like, girl, you ain't even looking that spiffy. But it's just an everyday makeup look, and if y'all would love to see how I got it, just continue to watch. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I am going to do a tutorial on my eyebrows, so that's why I did them off camera. But to prime my face, I'm going to use cocoa butter and this primer I got. It's a Pore Filter by NYX. It's called Pore Filler, primer base. So first I'm going to go in with my cocoa butter, just because my face is really dry. And yeah, I put a lot, but it's cool. But yeah, so because my face is dry, I'm going to go in with my cocoa butter first, and then go in with my primer. My mind gone right now, y'all. Don't mind me. Okay, so I'm just going to prime. Get the face ready. I'm going to take my nose ring out. Now I'm going to go in with this, make sure it is focusing. Okay. I need to get some more. So as y'all see, my face is nice and moisturized, and my foundation is matte. And since my skin is already dry, I want my face to be moisturized, so that when I go in with my matte, foundation and put my translucent powder on, my face doesn't look too dry, you know, or too matte. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Total Control foundation in the color TCDF15 or Caramel. Let's see if y'all can see. This is it. And that's the color. Okay, y'all see it. And this is the drop, so yeah. Now this stuff does dry fast, you guys, so I usually tend to work on one part of my face at a time because it dries pretty fast. You want to swipe down so that you don't just like do this and your face is just everywhere, you know? It's like a mask kind of. So you want to swipe down so that it can be all even and everything. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, my wet beauty blender, and just pretty much dab, okay? Just dab. So now that we have have put our foundation on, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York concealer with the color 10. Yeah, the color 10. This is really old, y'all, so I kind of really need to get some more. As y'all see on the side, it's kind of empty, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. And this is going to be for our under eye, for our highlighter under eye, our nose, and you know. Okay, so I am going to do the same thing I did with my foundation, which is use the brush first and then go in with my beauty blender just so it could be a more smoother look. Beauty blender. See how beautiful that looks? Let me see if I can get it out of the close up. You see, everything looks smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Maybelline New York in the color 30 for my contour. It's a little darker, as you see, a little darker than my under eye concealer. So yeah. And once again, I am going to do the same thing, just different brushes. I'm not going to use this brush, I'm going to use a different one. But I'm going to put it there, use my brush first, and then go in my beauty blender just so it's a smoother look. Okay, now I'm going in with my e.l.f. I guess you can just say it's translucent powder. It's going in with my e.l.f. powder. I don't know the name. It doesn't have the name there. So I'm just going to go in with my powder. And set my under eye right here in my forehead. And under my contour. So I went ahead and I put my translucent powder on. So now it's so powdery. Y'all see how, I don't know if y'all can see, it's really powdery. Okay, so now I'm going to go in. Where is Now I'm going to go in with a powder that is my color and, you know, just fluff all of it away. So I'm going to go over every part of my face except for my contour and my translucent powder part. I mean my under eye part. So I'm going to go ahead and okay, y'all. So now that I've got my contour, everything done pretty much, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put like a nudish color on my lids, just so it can bring color back to my eyes and it can, you know, bring out the more natural look. And I'm going to go ahead and put on a very little amount of highlighter because you don't want to do too much if you're doing a natural look. So yeah, well, that's in my personal opinion. I mean, if you want to go all out with it, that's on you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New Masters Strawberry Stick Illuminating Highlighter in the color Nude Glow, medium nude glow, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna put one line right there. Okay. And on my nose. And then I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and just fluff it out a little bit. Cheese looking self. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna take just a regular old eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go in with now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off, not my eyebrows, my eyelashes off camera, and I'm going to come back with the finished look. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you see, your girl looking like a snack, $1 million. Like, ew, hey, can I get your number? Like, hey. No, I'm just playing, you guys. But as you see, my makeup is all done. I hope you guys like this video. It is just an everyday makeup look for me, an everyday natural makeup look for me. I will be doing a tutorial on my eyebrows and my lashes, so y'all stay tuned for that. Let me know. If y'all get this video to, I want to say 30 likes. If y'all get this video to 30 likes, then I'll do an eyebrow tutorial and a lash tutorial. Also, do I have anything else I have to tell y'all? I don't. So I love you guys. I see you later. Bye.